So I just wanted to discuss this far better quality nut removal tool, and I'll post the links to this down in the description. But it's great. It's obviously made of a high quality steel. I can't remember if it was stainless steel or something along those lines. Tested to 330 Newton meters. I think they welded a bar to it. Anyway, but it's nice. You've got the front torque setting, rear torque setting, all stamped on it. Ducati. So yeah, no issues there. If the dealer had not over tightened the nut, I would have not have had to put so much force on it, and you can see that it has marked it very slightly despite using the proper size and length extension bar for it. I had to use the breaker. It'll focus. I had to use the breaker that's hanging up there and a 4-foot length of aluminium tube to get this undone. Absolute madness. God knows what sort of torque wrench setting they used, or even whether they did or not. Who the hell knows? It's just really infuriating. Cost me a lot of time. But what great paperwork. Thanking me for the order, all personalised, what time the payment was made, when they posted it, cost of the postage, cost of the jiffy bag, signed for label, and then full details about how to use the tool, lifetime warranty. Yeah, it's explaining that if you can't get it off, you're going to have to use a hammer and chisel and get the nut off that way. And then we've got exactly how to use it, which is great, and also the fact that it is an anti-clockwise to undo. You're putting so much force on it, you might think you're actually going the wrong way. 230 Newton meters when you're doing it up, you know, is fairly easily doable. But you do need your foot on the brake, obviously, and then yeah, just torque it up. No issues. And having undone one of these before, I know that it's not as hard to undo as it was earlier. But yeah, great seller. Very pleased with that. I'm going to talk to them about that damage and see if they've got any idea what sort of torque has been applied to actually start marking that. I'll probably show them the video. But yeah, great seller, great tool. Obviously can't do with that. Whether I want to do this every year, as you know, the idea was to have the Pirelli tyres in the summer with these wheels, and then go back to a slightly different tyre for the winter. But since I got that puncture in the rear wheel at a couple of weeks ago, I've got a brand new rear and a part worn front. So I'm wondering whether I should just get these tyres taken off and sell the rims. They've only done 7,000 miles. They clean up quite nicely. Probably worth a fair bit to somebody that needs them. And just keep these wheels on permanently, I think. Yeah, anyway, hope that was useful to someone, and I'll catch you all later.